Hi guys, postman's bin. Got a package here that I've been waiting for quite a while. I can't remember whether it's Bangood or AliExpress I've ordered it from. But I've had to order it 3 times in a row. First 2 times they cancelled the order. And each time I reordered it, the cost was different. First time they cancelled it, when I reordered it, the price had gone up. Then they cancelled it again, I reordered it and the price had gone down quite significantly. Ignore the fact it says their value £12.87, it was more than that. There'll be details in the video description. But I've been wanting this for quite a while. It's far more expensive than the sort of things I normally buy. It's about 30 or 40 quid. Don't even know if it'll work in this country. I hope it does. Some of the comments said it did, so there we are. Global Navigation Satellite System Speed Meter. SKYRC. Stop wondering how fast your RC car can go and how high your RC aeroplane can fly. This unit records top speed and top altitude for instant recall after run. It looks like it's rechargeable. Can we get it open? The only thing is, I don't know when I'll get a chance to try it. Connect USB cable to your computer USB or other suitable USB. Okay, I think we can do that. Do you think it's got any power in it? Press power on to turn it on. That'll be that one. It does tell us power on button. Servo port for external power source DC 6 volt. Oh yeah. Enter button, mode button, yeah. So let's turn it on and see if it's got any power. Just faintly. I think we're probably low power. Can you even see that? Yeah, there is something there, you can see it. But I think that bit at the top there shows us it's flat. So we'll go and stick that on charge. And then we'll see if there's anything we can do with it. Yeah, we'll come back later. All right. It's just a normal USB lead, so we'll plug it in and charge it up. Well, I've got it on charge at the moment, and it's obviously made satellite connection somewhere, even though we're indoors, because that's set the time. It's an hour out, but that's probably British summertime or whatever. Well, not summertime, winter time at the moment. But it's certainly made some sort of connection. Right, just very, very temporary. I've put the speed monitor on the top here just strapped in place. I think I've switched it on. So we'll just take it out for a quick run in the garden and back again, just to see if we get some figures on it. So I'll use my hat camera. This just happens to be the only car that's downstairs that I can use at the moment. Battery is only 75% charged, so we're not looking at high speed runs. I just picked up the wrong controller. Two on the table, and I picked up the wrong one. That's better. Right, that will do. We'll see if we've got anything recorded. Well, camera probably won't pick it up, but it says 9 on there, I think. Or does it say 6? No, it says 6. 6 miles per hour. I've got to download some software, and we should be able to actually download the data log and see what it says. But at the moment, that just says 6. Summary time. I've managed to download the app from the SKYRC site. Got it installed on my computer. So I was able to download the file from the little run in the garden. The only thing is I'm not going to show you what I've downloaded because it shows it on Google Maps, or the equivalent of Google Maps. So it will show you exactly where I live. I'm not going to show you that. So it appears to work, but we'll have to wait till we can go out somewhere and give it a proper run. It did tell me that Jeep Cherokee did about 6 miles an hour in the back garden. That's probably about right. It's not fast. So we will find out some other time when we can try it on some different cars in a different location. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.